Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at what I think is some of the most important and relevant charts and indicators in Bitcoin. So looking at the Bitcoin chart today on the daily chart, looks like we have broken this uptrend, which falls in line with this divergence we identified on the RSI indicator. So it looks like we're going to go into a corrective downtrend, which should be a great time to think about starting to dollar cost average buy over the next few weeks. As I talked about yesterday, I saw us coming down to about 42k at the most, and this is based on this 30-day moving average on the daily chart. So if we look back at the 2017 bull run, we often didn't drop too far below the 30-day moving average, so I think now is probably a good time to start dollar cost average buying in preparation for the big run to the higher levels. For those of you who don't know what the RSI is, it's the relative strength indicator, and this tells us the velocity or the amount of people buying or selling. We can use this to tell when a market is overbought or oversold, and this should help us make more informed decisions, but it's not always correct. Onto the main topic of the video, I'd like to share with you guys what I think are the most important charts and indicators to follow when making a decision to buy or sell Bitcoin. Firstly, and most importantly, we have the stock to flow model, which measures the available Bitcoin against the amount being produced. If you'd like to understand it further, there is some more details further down in this page. I'll post a link to this and the other charts in the description below. So what's really important about this chart is it's been incredibly accurate price prediction model of Bitcoin. Here we can see we're just approaching this period before a huge run up into an area where we could think about taking some profits. The second chart I want to introduce to you guys is the altcoin Bitcoin season indicator. This chart is a comparison between the altcoin prices and the Bitcoin prices. So the chart is a really good indicator to help you balance your portfolio between alts and Bitcoin. The way you should use this chart is kind of as a reverse indicator. So when we're in Bitcoin season, you should be thinking about accumulating alts, and when we are in altcoin season, you should be thinking about accumulating Bitcoin. Okay, swiftly moving on to the third chart. Actually, it's more of an indicator. It's the fear and greed index. This one seems a little less accurate and a bit more subjective. So the indicator uses a number of sources to chart the crypto market and defines it as either greedy or fearful, using a number. Again, like the previous indicator, we can use this in a reverse kind of way to help us make decisions. So we should be looking at accumulating when the market is fearful and taking profits when the market is greedy. So what you can do is you can look into this yourself, look at the chart and then compare it to the chart of the Bitcoin price and see if you can see those correlations. So that's all for today. If this video has been useful, please hit that like button and get subscribed for some more videos like this one. If you've got any questions or anything that you'd like me to cover in future videos, please leave me a comment in the description below. Thanks for watching guys, and see you next time.